The total amount in this case it will be this one, the home cost.
The down payment, it's what you have already paid. In this case would be the amount multiplied by foreign rating.
And the amount to pay is the amount less the down payment. So in this case, the answer is this one.
The rate interest is depending what the problem gives you. In this case, it's 9.99%. That is equal to 0.0999.
To get the monthly payment, you gotta use the formula. It's the amount is equal to payment multiplied by 1 minute. Then you got the amount and the interest, so you and then just substitute the values.
This formula is for the present value. Okay, so now we are going to add a zero here in number of payment because we are actually counting the amount to pay. So in this case, here is the answer, and now we can start to count the number of payments. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the months.
For the payment number 1, you use this formula, and you only substitute that information in this formula, so you give you the payment. For the interest, you use the first balance, that is the amount to pay. That the amount to pay you multiply times 0.0999, that is the rate interest, and the answer you divide it over 12. That is the number of months, well, the monthly payment, so that gives you this. Now, for the amortization, you subtract to this, then it gives you this, and at least you only subtract to the balance, to the first balance that is the amount to pay, the amortization, and it will give you the balance of that number of payments. And this is the final balance of the payment number 1.
The payment will be the same because of the problem. So it's going to be this. The interest will be the rate of interest multiplied by the balance divided in 12. Then you just subtract this from this quantity and you get amortization. And then you just subtract from this balance this quantity. And then you just get your balance from that payment.
But in this case, we have to calculate 168 payments. For example, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, etc. But why? Because in that problem we have 14 years and monthly. So each month for 14 months is equal to 168. And for example, if you are not sure if you have the right problem, the final amount will be 0.
Well, for the end is that the payment you get it by using the formula and substituting all the balance, all the information in the formula. The interest, you use the balance of the payment number 0, that is the amount to pay, multiplied by the rate of interest in the decimal information, then you divide it over 12 because it's monthly. And the amortization you get by subtract this, the interest, subtract in the payment. And for the balance, you need to use the balance that is before. For example, in this case, in the payment number 1, you use the balance of the payment number 0, that is the original one. So you subtract the amortization in the balance and you get the second balance. For the third balance, you subtract the amortization in the second balance and you get the third balance. You all need to do that to get the exact value. So at the end, you get 0.00.
Now we have the same table in this Excel. We've had the essential information and we've done the 168 payments. So you will see the 0 at the final balance. And that's all.